Hey, today we're going to start cleaning up on our market gardens. I'm going to move some seeds I've got started down here to the high tunnels. And I've got a tree that blew down because of the storm. We're going to maybe clean that up and see what else we can get into. It's just a beautiful Saturday morning. First thing I do though is water these mums. And they still look good. They look really good. I forgot to say the other day, we've got these raised beds that we intended to put flowers in. But I took the old dirt from the mums that we killed and I put in there, so it'd be good for starting seeds and stuff. So we got beets growing in this one. I've got a couple coming up and I'll show you those in a second. And carrots in the other two. They have not come up yet. This is part of the seeds that I left in the high tunnel, so they might not be viable. But I was just thinking, I was laying in bed last night if I could do several of these up through there and put carrots in them, because I have a really hard time growing carrots. I don't know if it's my soil or my technique or whatever, but that's something I desperately want to do. So if I grow them in a medium like this, or a medium I guess, I don't know what you call it, but dirt. Let's just call it potty mix, where it's kind of loose and then go down. I think my soil in certain places got a lot of clay in it. So I might buy several of these and put them right through there and just grow carrots in that. So I don't know, we'll see. If this don't work, I was saying last night I might get some from Baker Creek, just a little pack, put them out here, because it's like the second week of September. I need to get those going. Anyway, let's get these bums going. I'll show you this in just a second. I gotta get these watered, then we'll get the TYM warmed up and get those seeds down here. We'll get this place cleaned up. So, all right, let's get the water. It didn't take too long. It don't take very long just to water. The fertilizing takes longer. We'll probably do that tomorrow. I think we did it, let's see, 2 days ago, so probably tomorrow we'll fertilize. And they're really looking good. I wish they were more full out, but we'll see. 1st September, so we still got about another month of growing, a good growing, before they start budding out probably. Hopefully they do okay. All right, I'm gonna get TYM fired up. I'm gonna go get them seeds that I started. Started some in the last video. I started some more, and I'll talk about those when I get them down here. So I got everything that we planted in the last video: the zucchini, the broccoli, the cabbage, and lettuce. So I found my 42-day tomato, and I got it right here. So this is what else I planted here. What that is. I did a row of 42 tomatoes, 42-day tomatoes. Siberian tomatoes, which is supposed to be grow in the cold, I think. Get some standard squash. I did some bush pickles, which I found an old pack of those. Some kind of lettuce that I had, and some blue cabbage. And that's some of my old seeds. I just put a ton of seeds in there and see if I get one or two. So popping up. So I'm gonna get these on. What else did I do? I did some more leaf lettuce. I did 25 eggplants. And wish I had some romaine. If I order some carrots, I'll order some romaine lettuce from Baker Creek to start it. So I'm gonna get these on the table here and get them watered real good, and we'll get to cleaning up. Hey, we ain't got no money for a bribe, so go ahead and hit that subscribe. you can see how much better it looks. I hate that it's gone, but anyway, it's the end of the season. Kind of sad. Now I've got some, why I didn't mow this part down here, I got pumpkins there. Got a few pumpkins up there I'm going to have to go through and pick where I mow. And then I'm going to clean that up over there. I might not do that on camera. You've probably seen enough bush hogging. I got some sorghum over there that I planted, if you remember, and might go look at it. I'm not real happy with it, so I'm not even going to save the seeds on it. But found another couple more watermelons. I'm going to take them up to my daughter. And but you can see this looks a whole lot better. Ain't had no rain since we tilled. Let me turn the camera. So you can see the garlic behind me where I tilled for the garlic back in here. It's probably been over a week, and I'm probably going to till it today. We have not got not 1 ounce of rain since I've done that. We were supposed to got some the next day after I did it, but no rain, so I might wait on that. I still got time to plant the garlic, so I ain't worried about that. So I'm going to try to kind of do it right. So, all right, that's the garlic, and hopefully we'll get to plant that in a few days. All right, you ready?
Yeah.
Hey, we ain't got no money for a bribe, so go ahead and hit that subscribe.